For this video, we'll discuss the terminology for alleles. Okay, so we're going to start looking at a characteristic of a pea plant, which will be the shape of the seed. Oops, what is not working? Hold on. Should be it. Why is not? There you go. So we saw that there are round ones and wrinkled ones, and there are different way of looking at the alleles, right? So there are the round ones, written like this, or like this, and like this. Okay, I want to point out that we have to write the alleles as if it is round, that something it is a certain trait, and that is not a certain trait. Like that would be less confusing if you have, a round one and a wrinkled one. To simplify things and to understand it more readily, it will be using it is and it is not. Okay. Also, we always use the ones that become capital one is the dominant ones. For example, the dominant allele here are the round ones, since the round one overcomes the recessive allele here. So capital is the rounded ones. Okay. And then I want to show you the word homozygous. Homozygous. And let's change what color here. Use purple. Heterozygous. Now you know the word homozygous means same thing. This refers to the same two alleles that they're holding, like those true breeding plants. Okay, these are your homozygous, the ones that have the same allele for that trait. Just like, don't forget true breeding. These are true breeding as well. So homozygous are, by definition, true breeding plants. And let's go for the hetero one. Hetero means mix. So obviously, these are your hybrids. Okay. So heterozygous are the ones that have two different alleles, and homozygous are the ones that have same alleles. All right. So let's go for some new terminology here, something more interesting, if I say so, if you let me say so. But let me draw this again very quickly. Okay. So this is something new, and this something might be a little confusing at first, but it's not that difficult. It is something that we just need to show you on a board. So one word we're looking at is genotype. And the other word we're looking at is phenotype. Okay. Now the word genotype has a word gene in it, so that means the set of genes available in certain organism, right? So in this particular case, we have three different genotypes. This one, these together. This one, these guys, even though they're a different order, they have the same genotype. They're more or less interchangeable. The order doesn't really matter. So same genotype. And this guy also is another genotype. So in this case, when we're looking at a monohybrid situation, when we're looking at one characteristic, there are three different genotypes. Okay? And a phenotype is basically the appearance. Instead of having three different phenotypes, we got here two different phenotypes. Okay? So the shape is phenotype. Oh, maybe she's purple. Easy to look at. Okay? So we got two different phenotypes. Okay? So the phenotype is the round ones and the wrinkled ones. So I'm going to show you very quickly. The genotype, we're looking at basically the R1, the smaller R1, and the R. So there are three of them. While phenotype is basically, round. Round and wrinkled. Oh, let's have room, please. There you go, wrinkled. Okay, so 2 for phenotype, 3 for genotype. And I'll see you next time.